Hi, in this video I'm going to explain you how to use the Turyaa device. So your Turyaa device will come in 5 different colors. I'm holding one of them. So here you can see that there is a switch on and switch off button. Make sure that your device is completely charged. If it is not, then charge using the cable which was given to you in the box. So once the device is charged, you can open up the device, in which you can see that there are 3 sensors for recording the Nadi at 3 locations: Vata, Pitta and Kapha. On hand, I have already marked those locations on the wrist. So it usually is under the thumb at these 3 locations. So the first location is for Vata, second is for Pitta, third is for Kapha. So you can see that whenever I move my wrist, I see that there are 2 horizontal lines. So typically at the second horizontal line, my first finger, which is Vata, my second finger, which is Pitta, and then my third finger, which is Kapha. So typically this is how the Vaidya feels your Nadi. So instead of that, we are using the said 3 sensors. So how I'm going to use this? So you can see that this is my wrist line and this is the line of the device. So I'm going to align my wrist line with the device line, and I'm going to flush my hand to the to this particular lead of the device. So I'll keep the hand there. I will flush my hand to this particular edge of the device, and I will keep the hand gently on the device. My hand should be very loose. My wrist location should be such a way that my sensors are completely occupied under the wrist. Alright, so I'll keep the hand like this for about a minute. So let me show you how to take the Nadi. So I will open my app. I'll go to the Take Nadi button. I'll switch on the Bluetooth. Once I switch on the Bluetooth, I will also restart my device. The device ID is written here. So it is TW060 something, which you will see as one of the Bluetooth device IDs in this particular list. So I'll select my device ID, and once it is connected, within 3 to 4 seconds, your graph will start. So you can see the graph is started and the background is grey colored. So when the background is grey colored, that means my Nadi is not coming correctly. So if I put the hand like this or anyhow, you can see that some numbers are moving, but still the background is not turning white. In fact, it is grey. So now I will put my hand in the correct fashion on the device, and now you can see that my device has captured the Nadi correctly. So the 3 colors blue, red and green indicate that there are 3 graphs, which is Vata, Pitta and Kapha, respectively those colors. Now I will collect the data for 1 minute. And after collecting the data for 1 minute, can see that the Nadi is moving in up and down direction, and it typically has the pulse rate. So it should typically show a structure which is zigzag or thak, thak, thak and so on. So once I take the Nadi for about 1 minute, I will stop the reading and go to the next. Suppose, so my wrist is slightly the width of my wrist is good, but in some cases, few people have smaller wrist or even larger wrist. So in case of smaller wrist, what to do, I will just show you. So in this case, you can see that the wrist is very small. So in this case, what you have to do is press the hand. So you can keep the hand in such a way that instead of straight wrist, you have to slightly keep the hand like this. So you have to slightly press the sensors, or if it is not comfortable, you can use a napkin. You can keep the napkin here and then you can put the sensors. So now you can see that the Nadi is coming absolutely correctly. Thank you.